how to make the Beyblade spin. So you have to get a Beyblade like this, or this, or this. If you have those bays, then you have to get this thing. You have to get that thing too.
What are those?
These are black stuff. So
black stuff? What in the world?
So you put the black stuff inside the blue thing. You put the thing all the way in.
So that is like a spinner guard, or what is that?
It's
a spin guard?
No, it's a launcher.
Oh, a launcher. That's the correct word, guys. Not black thing. He meant to say launcher.
So if you have a launcher like this, that is small from Beyblade Burst Evolution.
Yeah.
So you put this bay on the launcher.
Oh my god.
So if you put it on the launcher, crank it. Then crank it again. Cranking.
Tell me when you're ready.
Cranking.
Y'all, this is the babe.
Okay. 3,
Arena.
2, 1. Let it rip.
Wow, look at that thing go. How many can you do at a time? Yes. Oh my gosh. He's knocking him out, guys. Who's going to be the final? Oh, wow. Dang, he split that guy in pieces. Oh my gosh.
So guys.
So what were the blades that you were playing?
I was playing with